Hi folks, Akooji Badat here on 5th of November 2018. 5th of November 2018. I'm here in Medina, Saudi Arabia, back in England. Obviously, back in England it'll be 5th of November, the celebrations of Guy Fawkes Bonfire Night. And Bonfire Night goes back to 1605 when a lad called Guy Fawkes tried to blow up the parliament, and it was failure basically. So from there on, the history and the celebrations begin, and the kids start going down and trick or treat and this, that, and other. And anyway, it's 5th of November today. Be careful. That's the warning from me. Be careful, everybody in United Kingdom, and I hope you all look after yourself. Also, if anybody knows anything about the new YouTube upload, can you please let me know, because the YouTube in affiliation with Apple have stopped or temporarily stopped people from uploading. They've made it very hard. So if you know anything, let me know. Akooji Badat. Ciao for now. Assalamu alaikum. Khudafiz. And this Guy Fawkes, the Bonfire Night, please be careful. It's not a religious thing. It's not a religious thing. So I suppose everybody can enjoy, because it's a political thing. It's not a religion thing. It's got in fact, in earlier days, the religions, Catholics and Protestants, they were against all this because people misused it by burning effigies of religions, and it's not a religious thing basically. Ciao for now. Assalamu alaikum. Khudafiz.